All right, so this section is about apportionment of factory expenses. So apportionment is when you divide your business into different sections and you're trying to figure out how much it costs each department to run. So we're going to figure out different expenses here. All right, so there's some examples on your notes. I'm going to jump to some right here. So the total costs of a factory amount to $300,000 for the year. The following is the amount of floor space each department occupies. So it's split into square feet for each department. We are just trying to figure out Department J. What's the cost for Department J to run? So first thing we need to do is we need to figure out the total square feet. So we're going to add all these up. So 600 for Department H, 700, 1400, 2200, 1600. So our total square feet is 6,500, and we're just going to focus on Department J. So Department J takes 1,400 square feet out of 6,500 square feet. And that's going to give us a percentage or a decimal. So 1,400 of 6,500 is 21.5% of the building. So to find percentage, we're actually just going to take that number and we're going to multiply it by our total amount. So 300,000. So that's the cost that it takes Department J to operate. 64,615. And we're talking money, so we need two numbers after the decimal. 0.38, I'm not going to round because the third number is a 4. It's less than 5. Okay, so there's a lot of questions like this. It might ask you about Department I or H or K, but it's that same process. Okay, so now we have another one. Utilities costs are $24,000 for 4 motors that are used for a business. And now we're going to split horsepower. So motor D has 700, E has 900, F has 2,000, G has 1,400. And we want to know what's the cost for motor F. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to find the total horsepower. And we're looking at F. So we're going to take 2,000 out of that total. So total is 700 plus 900 plus 2,000 plus 1,400. So our total is 5,000. Again, we're going to create a percentage. So we're going to take 2,000 over 5,000. And that gives us a decimal or a percentage, so that's 40%. And we're going to times it by the total. So 24,000. I did one too many zeros. Watch yourself. So the cost of motor F is $9,600. Let's do one more. We have taxes and insurance charges on 3 machines amount to $26,000. Machine A operates for 6 hours, B for 4, C for 10. So let's look at the cost of B. So remember, first we got to find the total. So total hours, 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 10 is 20. So machine B, we're going to take 4 out of 20 and then times it by the total. So 4 over 20 gives us the percentage 20%, and then times it by the total. Is it 24,000? 26. So 5,200 is the cost to operate machine B. So true or false, taxes and insurance are not expenses that are used in apportionment. We just did a problem where they are. They are. Okay, so that one's false. Okay, good luck.